Here with Hyrel 3D, we have a demo of our new laser head that we have, the Lasertree 10-watt laser. Runs off the same Lasertree software we've been using with our laser heads, but this one's new and improved. Works a lot better with a new screen for filtering out the light so you don't blind your eyes or anything. We also have this screen on here so you don't blind yourself. And I'll go ahead and do a test print with the Hyrel logo. This will be loaded in with any of your heads that you're buying so you can test print everything that you have. And then here we go to print. It's very simple. And as you can see, there's no light coming back off to us, so you're not going to harm your eyes. All right, and now that the print is finished up, it did take a while because I'm using a feed rate of 200. You can adjust that for what you need. Also using a power rate of 100. And then if you come in here, you can see how nice that logo is etched in to our scrap piece of metal. So you can do that with anything you want, as long as it will absorb the laser light, as long as it's not reflective, it will leave you a great mark. So here's a close-up look of the Lasertree head. Here you actually have a place to put an air hose so you can blow some air down. It'll make your lines a little bit smoother. This is that shield that we have blocking us from the rays of the laser. And it just attaches like any normal head that we have. And it actually works on all of the printers. So as we have over here behind us, it'll work on the Engine HR, the 30M. It'll work on every Hyrel printer you have. As long as you works with the Lasertree software, this head will work for you. So it's very versatile. It can work with it'll work with any printer you have from Hyrel, and it's just a really useful tool that we have. So awesome.